Yes.
Okay. So guys, please watch it carefully. You also need to follow the same instructions. It's very simple, process to host a static website in cloud storage bucket, whether it is Microsoft Azure storage account, whether it is AWS S3 bucket, whether it is Google Cloud Storage bucket. Rakesh, over to you.
Yeah, thank you. So then we need to go to the cloud storage console. Then there is a bucket. We need to go there, buckets. So then we need to create a new bucket. As for the naming convention, we need to take list next and I'm taking my name like this. It need to be globally unique and continue. I'm taking my only region. US is one is okay for me. Then standard, yes, yeah, yeah. We need to resolve that one. Then fine tune, continue. I'm not taking any like subdirect policy, so I'm going. And data encryption, I'm going with a Google Manager encryption key. Then we need to create the bucket. Yeah, when bucket is created. Then for the like I have a HTML code is present in my local. This one I'll show you. It will show a registration form. So I'm uploading this to
So
my Google.
basically, a static website basically means, guys, and a website that doesn't render any dynamic content. When I say dynamic content, it doesn't have any animation on it. It doesn't have any flash which is coming. There is no audio, no video, no nothing. It's a static content. That's what flash it. Static website is all about. So, for example, blog websites. In blogs, you don't put that information or any information that you want to share with public at a minimum cost, and it's a temporary process. I'm saying you don't want to purchase a domain for it. You don't want to purchase a hosting space for it because you just need to do it one or twice. So why would you invest so heavily into the infrastructure for it? That's where this capability comes handy. Wherein Rakesh has created a sample HTML page. Consider that page his website. Now Rakesh is going to host that website in a cloud storage bucket. Over to you, Rakesh.
Yes, yes.
So
Then we
Rakesh, you
need
need to
to
explain it also. When you present, this is what you need to uh, do also. So when you are presenting your screen, when you are demonstrating a capability, make sure that you explain it to the rest of the participants so that they will understand why exactly you're doing all of this activity. What is the background of it? Why is that needed? Significance. Okay.
okay. Okay.
Yeah,
So
please
for
go ahead.
this static website, there is a HTML file needed, and I put it in my local. So we need to upload that one. So see, I'm uploading to my bucket.
So Rakesh is
Uploading.
actually uploading the website code into the bucket.
Yes.
So if your
See, this.
website contains 20 files, you need to upload them all into the bucket.
Then we need to go to bucket. Next website. So
Which
here
bucket
we
you
need
are in, Rakesh?
next one website.
And does this bucket
This
hold your files?
uh, not able to hear.
No, I'm asking, you said that I will navigate to the bucket. To which
Yeah.
bucket you will navigate to?
I need to go to that bucket. This bucket only. That bucket I created now. See, 514.
Yep. Yep. So the bucket that is hosting the website
Yeah.
binaries or website files, you need to
Mm,
navigate to that bucket.
yeah. Then we need to click on three dot. Then okay. Website configuration. No, no. Sorry. See here. Edit. Yeah. Edit access. Yeah. Edit access. As I disable that one. That find and I choose and there is a undisable that one that clicked already. So I need to add for all public access, all user. So all, if I search, it will come. all users. I am giving public access and I'm giving the role as viewer. Storage account, storage object viewer. Allow public access. Yeah.
So what Rakesh has just done, Rakesh has actually given all users read access to the storage account. Why? Because the storage account is hosting a website. Website comprises of multiple files and website is for everyone's consumption. Rakesh wants that website to be accessible by all the users over the internet. That is why Rakesh has actually provided uh, the permission for all the users, read only permission to the bucket. That's what Rakesh has done.
Mm. Yeah. Then we need to go to that bucket, go inside that bucket, and if you see inside index.html, inside index.html, there is a public access URL is given. So we need to copy that URL and paste in another browser and URL. So it will show that HTML file that we given to you, static website. So I just taken an welcome to next client registration like this.
Okay, click on the bucket, Rakesh, click on the bucket name.
Okay. Bucket name.
Yeah, bucket name. Next turn,
Okay.
click on those three vertical dots.
Okay.
Click on edit website configuration. Here you need to type the index file, the main file. Type index.html. Right? Save it.
Yeah.
Now click on your website bucket name once again. Copy the bucket URL. Go to
Bucket
configuration,
URL.
configuration. Here you see the bucket URL. So it's already fine grained. Go. This is the Cloud Console URL.
Hmm.
Go up. Uh, Go back. Go to the objects. Copy the URL of the object. You have index.html. Click on that.
This one.
Yeah, copy URL. Now type that into the bucket.
Okay.
Type that into the browser. Yeah, now it is working.
Yeah.
So you forgot to add the index file, which is also important. The reason
No,
you are
oh yeah. Yes, yes,
because
yes.
if you don't add index file, what if I upload additional data to this bucket? How will the bucket know that where the website is? That's the
Yes.
reason that information is very important there. Make sense?
Okay. Yes, yes.
Now, would you like to repeat? Would you like to start all over again and share it once again? Because I was kind of helping you with this, and probably some participants may got
Okay.
confused. So delete it. Delete all the
Deleting
three
both.
buckets. Start it from scratch.
Yeah. Bucket is deleted. So let's see. Okay. I can take the name again as it is deleted. So yeah, original. usage1. So I'm taking a standard class, and here I'm disabling that one. I'm enabling the public access, and I am using fine grain. So top delete protection I'm disabling. And then I'm not doing. I'm using Google Manage the encryption key and creating that bucket. Okay, as the bucket is created, so we need to upload that index.html static web page file. As it is uploaded, so we need to make some permissions. Either we can click on three dot, we can click on here also. Add principal. I'm giving all user permissions. I'm giving stores the object viewer. Then click and save. Allow public access. So as only here, right now, we have we having only one file. So if you don't mention also, it will take my this URL. But the best approach is to give that file name, which is like edit website configuration. Then we need to mention index.html. Then click on this. We are getting a public URL. You can just need to copy that one, and let's paste in another browser. Yeah, our website is up. Yes, sir, done.
Great.